What are we gonna cook today? What are we cooking today?
Pumpkin pie.
What kind of pie? Pumpkin pie? Pumpkin pie again. But now you're a pro because you've already done this once. Set your spoon down and we'll get ready to scoop our ingredients, okay?
Okay.
Okay, know what this is?
White
It's white. It's sugar.
sugar.
We're gonna take 3 scoops and put it in here. Count. How many's up? Perfect. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. That was sugar. Salt.
Salt.
Okay, hold this. We're gonna fill up that little
Yeah.
half a teaspoon. Little bitty. All right, pour that in. Beautiful. This is all the yummy pumpkin pie spices.
Pumpkin pie.
We're just gonna guess how much to put in there. Some people like more. Dump that. We're gonna do a little bit more. Because why not? Smell it. Does it smell good?
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate. No, it's not. It's like cinnamon,
It's cinnamon.
cloves.
No, it's like creamy. Creamy.
Christmas. It smells like Christmas.
Yeah. On your brown tire.
Will you take this whisk and just kind of stir those together? Mix all the colors up. Now let's switch bowls and we're gonna get the wet ingredients. What are these?
8.
How many?
8.
How many eggs do you see there?
1, 2,
Good job, 2 eggs.
2, 8.
2 eggs. And do you remember what this is?
And orange.
Orange pumpkin.
Orange pumpkin.
Yep.
What's that
You have
blue?
to kind of scoop it out with a spoon. Into the eggs, yep.
Yeah. Me too.
I'll show you a trick that Mom showed me to get the rest of that pumpkin in there. See how there's a lot stuck in there still?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we take our milk and we pour some of it in the can. And then we stir it around to get all the extra stuff off. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Now, will you pour that in there?
Whoa.
Whoa!
No, I don't want.
That's crazy. Do you want to pour the rest of this milk in there? Do you want to do it? Go onto the can, it's heavy. Good job. Excellent. Thank you. Do you want to stir with your big spoon? Oh. That's okay, it'll clean up. Remember these? Sugar and salt and spices.
No.
You don't remember that?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add those in there, okay?
Pour.
That's right. Whoa, there they go into the party. Okay, I'm gonna stir this the rest of the way. We're gonna scoot your pie shells over here. You're not done. Will you take the fork and will you kind of just poke some little holes, just like that, real easy, just like with Play-Doh, all around on the bottom of your pie shells. Let me check it out. Just all the way around. All the way around.
Oh yeah.
All right, are you ready to pour your pie into the shells?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Okay.
So, we're gonna try to do this so
Where?
equal amounts get in each side, but I don't think in the history of ever that's been done. We're just gonna pour. Whoa. Let's go over here and give this one a little bit. I'm gonna go back to this one a little bit.
One.
Maybe over here a little bit. I think. Maybe over here for the last drip.
Another one.
You think that looks pretty good?
Pretty good.
All right. Good job mixing. We're gonna put them in the oven for 425 for like 15 minutes. And then we're gonna turn the oven down to 350 or so and let them cook the rest of the way. Good job. You're hiding under there. We're gonna have pumpkin pie in a little bit.
Good. Hi.
All right. Are you ready for them to come out of the oven?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So pretty.
Don't touch. They're hot.
Oh, awesome.
Awesome. Look at those yummy pumpkin pies. Okay, we're gonna check and see if they're done, all right? We're gonna take the knife and we're gonna poke it down in the center, and if it comes back up clean, we're gonna say that it's done, okay? So help me hold on to the knife. I'm gonna poke it down here in the center. There's no pie on there. That must mean it's done. You wanna check this one?
Yes.
Whoa. Yay! It's done.
Yeah.
Good job. Ready? Come on, bite. Tell everybody how good it is.
Yummy.
Yummy? I think so too.
You're a pretty good pumpkin pie maker.
I agree. Yummy. Yeah? You want another bite?
Take a big bite.
Get the ready.
See you next time.
See you.